Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 5 power x by 20 equal 10 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 5 power x, we can write it as, take the 20 to other side, so it becomes 10 times 20, that is 200. Now I am taking log on both sides, so log 5 power x equal log 200. Now I'm going to use the identity that is log a power b. We can write it as b log a. So it's x log 5 equal log 200. Again, if I'll write 20 times 10. So if I'll divide both sides by log 5. So x is equals to log 20 times 10. I can write it as log 20 plus log 10 by log 5. Now I'm going to break this 20 and 10 in terms of 5. So we can write it as 5 times 4 plus log 10 as 5 times 2 by log 5. So again I'm going to open the same identity. So it becomes log 5 plus log 4 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. So x is equals to log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. So this cancel out gives 1. So x is equals to 1 plus log 4 as 2 square by log 5 plus 1 plus log 2 by log 5. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So x is equals to 2 plus this becomes 2 log 2 with base 5 plus log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.